for all spicy materials. आपण 2-3 गोष्टी आता घालू. That original term is MASALLAH. It is Arabian term. From there we
From
have
that they got
taken up
masala.
as masala. And then we have two terms, spice and condiments. What is the difference? Well, the line is not very sharp to distinguish between them. Spices are generally used for pungent items. They are powdered. Those spices are powdered and are added during cooking. And condiments are used after cooking. For example, cardamom we use after cooking. When the material is ready, recipe is ready to serve. Condiments are used after cooking or after preparation. For example, cardamom and cinnamon, they are used after preparation of the. Whereas, but you cannot have a sharp line. Clove is used as a spice and also as condiments. Both way it can be used. So you cannot have a sharp line of distinction between the two. Of all these, as I have stated earlier, the queen of spices is pepper. Look at the fruit. It is a fruit. Black colored, wrinkled surface. Size is
Too
very,
small.
very small, but still it is called
The
queen of spices. Why? ते संपून टाकू. Why? Because it is most popular. Pepper is the term that comes for miri. Red pepper is chili. Black pepper is miri.
Maybe.
But how this term has been derived? Pepper is the term used from pippali.
Yes.
Pippali, that you are familiar. Pippali, from that root, the Latin term was derived piper. And piper say pepper हो गया. Black pepper is miri and long pepper is pimple. Now these are the climbers. Generally they are grown on coconut or areca nut, that is betel nut. They climb over and they produce small finger size clusters. They are green in color to begin with. If you want black miri, that is harvested and dried. Then during drying, the surface becomes wrinkled. Oh, हकलून आता त्याला फोटो काढायचा.
Continue.
If you want white miri, the fruits are allowed to mature on the tree. When one fruit of the cluster becomes red, the cluster is taken up. Then all these fruits are removed from the cluster. They are put up in a gunny bag. It is put up in water for 2-3 days and it is trodden so that the outer surface is removed.
Okay.
And then whatever is left is the white pepper. What are the active principles of this white pepper? They are all alkaloids. One is piperine, other is piperatine, and the third is capsaicin. Besides, there is one volatile oil, and that is why that pungent smell is there. What is the use? Well, everybody knows that it is used in curry powder. Beyond that, it is used all for making pickles, chutneys, ketchup, sauce, etc. Then it is also used for cold drinks, not the one non what should I say?
Carbonated.
Non-carbonated. In the Western countries, miri is the cheap ingredient to as preservative. Even in the medicine, miri is important. It is stimulant for gastric juice, and therefore, if you have any stomach trouble, powdered miri is used for the same.
Thank you.